Okay, listen up. Google just dropped Angular v21, and this thing is crazy. I'm talking faster apps, less code to write, better performance, and some features that are going to change how you build web apps forever. Today, I'm showing you everything new in Angular v21, the features that matter, the ones that will save you hours of work, and whether you should upgrade right now or wait. We're covering signal forms, zoneless change detection, why your HTTP code just got way simpler, and a secret feature for building accessible apps that almost nobody is talking about. This is huge for developers, this is huge for businesses, and if you're building anything with Angular, you need to see this. Let's jump in. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. So, what is Angular v21? Angular is Google's framework for building web apps. Big companies use it, small teams use it. And version 21 just launched with some wild updates. This is a major release. That means big changes, new features, and a clear direction for where Angular is heading. The theme here is simple: better developer experience, faster performance, less hassle. Angular is doubling down on signals. They're making things simpler, and they're cutting out the old stuff that slowed you down. Let me break down the biggest features. First up, signal forms. This is experimental, but it's a game changer. Angular just introduced a new way to build forms using signals. Signals are reactive primitives. Think of them as smart variables that update automatically when data changes. Before this, you'd build forms with reactive forms module. It worked fine, but it could get messy. Type safety wasn't always great. State management got complicated. You had to write a lot of boilerplate code. Now, with signal forms, everything is cleaner, better type safety, simpler state management, less code to write. You can track form values, validation, and errors way easier than before. Here's the catch. It's experimental. That means use it carefully. Don't throw it into production apps right away. Test it first. Make sure it works with your setup. But if you're starting a new project, this is worth exploring. Second feature, zoneless change detection. This one is massive for performance. Let me explain. Angular used to rely on something called zone.js. Zone.js would watch your app and detect when things changed. Then it would update your UI. It worked, but it added overhead. Extra code running in the background, slower performance, more complexity. With v21, new apps can run zoneless by default. That means no zone.js needed. Angular uses signals and other modern techniques to handle changes. Third feature, HTTP client by default. This is small, but it saves you time. Before version 21, you had to manually import and configure HTTP client every single time you wanted to make HTTP requests. Import the module, add it to your app, config, write boilerplate code. Now it's included by default. You don't have to set it up, it just works. Less boilerplate, faster setup, easier onboarding for new developers. This is what good defaults look like. Fourth feature, Angular Aria. This is a new library for building accessible UI components. It's in developer preview right now. The idea is simple. You get headless UI components. That means they work perfectly, but they have no styling. You style them however you want. Why does this matter? Accessibility is hard to get right. You need proper keyboard navigation, screen reader support, Aria attributes. Most developers don't have time to build all that from scratch. Angular Aria gives you the foundation. You get accessible components out of the box, then you style them to match your brand. This is huge for teams that need to meet accessibility standards, and it's huge for users who rely on assistive technologies. Now, here's something most people are missing. Angular v21 also improved error stack traces, better debugging support, enhanced template type inference with TypeScript. That means you catch mistakes earlier, before they become bugs. CSS variable support got better too, dynamic theming is easier now, and server-side rendering and hydration got optimized for large apps. These aren't flashy features, but they make your life easier. They make your apps better, and they add up to a huge improvement in developer experience. Right? Quick interruption. If you're building apps with Angular or any modern framework, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. Inside, you'll learn how to automate your entire development workflow with AI tools like the ones helping Angular developers ship faster. You'll get access to AI agents, automation blueprints, and a community of builders using AI to 10 times their output. Link is in the description. Now back to Angular v21. So should you upgrade? Let me break this down. If you're starting a new project, absolutely use v21. You get the best defaults, Zoneless by default, HTTP client ready to go, signal forms to experiment with. You're starting with the latest and greatest. If you have an existing app, it depends. Ask yourself these questions. Do you rely on third-party libraries? Check if they're compatible with version 21. Do any of your dependencies expect zone.js? You might need to test carefully. Are you ready to adopt new features like signal forms? Remember, they're experimental. Here's my advice. Upgrade in stages. First, upgrade the core Angular packages to version 21. Use Nung Update. It'll handle most of the work for you. Then test everything. Run your full test suite. Check your third-party libraries. Make sure nothing broke. Next, try the new features incrementally. Maybe start with the HTTP client improvements. Those are safe. Then experiment with signal forms in a non-critical part of your app. See how they work, get comfortable with them. Finally, monitor your bundle size and performance. v21 promises smaller bundles and faster builds. Measure it, make sure you're actually seeing those gains. Here's a quick checklist. Upgrade your CLI and core packages to version 21. Test third-party library compatibility. Run an update and check for deprecations. Try new features incrementally, like signal forms. Monitor bundle size and performance metrics. Back up your project first. Do this in a feature branch. Don't touch production until you've tested everything. And if something breaks, you can roll back. Performance-wise, you might see 10 to 20% smaller bundle sizes, maybe faster build times, maybe faster runtime performance with zoneless change detection. Test it yourself and measure. So why is this release insane? Let me wrap this up. Angular v21 is not just an update, it's a foundation for the future. Google is making a clear bet on signals, on zoneless architecture, on better defaults, on developer experience. Less boilerplate means you write less code. Faster apps mean better user experience. Modern architecture means Angular stays relevant, and better accessibility support means you're building for everyone. This is not a small incremental update. This is Angular's next step forward, and it's setting the stage for everything that comes next. Here's my final take. New projects, use v21 now. Existing apps, plan your upgrade, test carefully, adopt features one at a time. Large enterprise apps, start with the core upgrade, then add signal forms and other features in non-critical areas first. If you depend on third-party libraries that haven't updated yet, wait for compatibility. Check GitHub issues, join the Angular community discussions, see what other developers are saying, but don't sleep on this. v21 is here, it's stable, and it's bringing Angular into the modern era of web development. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so drop a comment below. Which feature are you most excited about? Are you upgrading now or waiting? Let me know. And if you want to learn how to build and scale apps faster with AI automation, check out my AI Profit Boardroom. You'll learn how to use AI tools to automate your Angular development workflow, generate code faster, and ship products in half the time. Link is in the description. Also, if you need SEO and want more leads, traffic, and sales for your business, check out the link in the comments and description. You can order AI SEO online right now and start getting results. We use AI-powered strategies to help businesses like yours grow faster. All the links to Angular v21 docs, blog posts, and resources are in the description. Go check them out. Test these features yourself. And let me know what you think. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm dropping new AI and dev tool updates every week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Now go build something amazing with Angular v21.